welcome back to your favorite coin, Algorand. Today again we are looking at ALGO because you were interested in the previous one, right? This is 3-day chart. Every candle that you're seeing here is 3 days. So a little zoom out approach from the latest video of a daily chart. Unfortunately, the picture will be the same and conclusion exactly that. Downtrend with no signs of a recovery. That is the key takeaway, if you want to say it like that you should take from this video. Yeah, we can pick some bottoms, but in the grand picture, Algorand is bearish and still going to the downside. On the 3-day chart, this line of resistance, 1, 2, 3, is saying us exactly that, downtrend with every touch of this trend line as a resistance. In the not so distant future, will the story remain the same? We don't know for now. Maybe we will get rejected as we were here, because you know, the trend is our friend. But maybe we will break it. Scenario number 1, scenario number 2. This is the bullish one, of course. But it's so early to tell. When you see something like this, that will be a major change in the price of ALGO. This band of 21 moving and exponential moving average is currently standing at whereabouts of 18 cents. The price is at 15, below 15. So even if we get some upside trajectory, this band could give us a rejection. And this is the proof of what I am talking about. We could be getting something like this. Try, nope, big fall back to the downside. So, beside that trend line, also watch this band that at 18 cents at this moment is a resistance. Of course, this band is going lower and lower and lower. At some point we will break it. For now, it's not the case on this midterm approach. Do you see this line? Well, for me this is really worrisome, because this was a major support. We broke it here. It won't serve us as support no more. Here we bet little but lost it. You know the story, what was once a support could become a resistance, and one of the possible scenarios is this. The band going lower meet with this resistance line. Now resistance. And then we get heavily rejected. Something in cohesion with those lines. It's a possibility. Yeah, I know, I'm giving you only bearish scenarios, but at the moment it's really not looking that healthy. Not for Algorand, for practically any altcoin. A lot of work ahead of those guys. Now, one more thing please. On the last video on the daily chart we discussed about this Fibonacci move to the upside. This move, which is giving us the projection of 161.8% retracement. A very important one, 15.4. We should have held it, and we still could. Maybe in the next couple of candles we see a rebound above those lines. I mean this line, 15.4. And that could signal some kind of a mid to short term reversal. For now, it's not looking great, because we are losing that extension to the downside also. So I don't want to go into details how low we can go if we close the next candle somewhere in this region. But for all the bulls out there that are holding Algorand, the great thing would be if we could hold it 161.8, not take it off and live below it, but above it. Yes, a scenario like this would be pretty nice. And then you can call yourself again a bullas. First of all, please break my band of 21 MA and EMA at 18 cents, then take that bullas approach. For now, stay safe, and how about we just meet in a new video. Roar.